Hey everyone, Tom Ross here at the Benny Keith Texas Kitchen, and today we're going to be working on a little strawberry pie. But first, we've got to select the perfect strawberry. Well, we've already got the perfect strawberry because we packed Driscoll's. So next up, you need to make sure that you wash your berries. Don't forget, all berries are field packed and must be washed before consumed. So let's go ahead and give them a little rinsey. So we're going to wash these. Now you can actually wash these off in the container here because it's got holes in the bottom, it's slotted. So we'll just kind of rinse those off, get that started. Okay, next up you're going to need to remove the calyx. So some folks like to just slice them off, but if you want to keep the knife out of someone's hand, a good way of doing it is just grabbing a spoon, scoop on in there, and just pop that little rascal out. Perfect, ready to go. All right. So that's how you kick this thing off. Now stay tuned, because Art Hamilton's going to show you how it's done.
Everybody's favorite, fresh strawberry pie made with Tom Ross's Driscoll strawberries. Easy as 1, 2, 3. We're going to start off with a raw unbaked pie shell. We're going to dock it, place it in the oven, 350 for about 10 or 15 minutes till it's nice and golden brown. Going to put us a nice layer of glaze in the bottom of our pie shell, load up our strawberries, put another glaze over the top of it, top it off with whipped cream, stick it in the refrigerator, let it set for about 2 hours, cut it, enjoy, nothing better. Thank you.